We are freaking broke. We have no gas money right now, so because of our solar expense. Hi, I'm Shauna.
And I'm Scott.
And we are
Chance
road tripping. And we have been on the road, you guys, 8 years, and I don't even know where I was going.
Been a lot of places, did a lot of things, met a lot of people.
Yep.
Goodbyes are the saddest part.
I know. So we are leaving Courtside, you guys. This was our 3rd year in Courtside. We're juniors. Next year, we're graduating to seniors. Actually, Brenda and Joe, my parents.
Already seniors.
I have new parents, you guys, and here they are. Here's a picture of them. I have been adopted. I love you, Brenda and Joe. We're gonna miss you dearly.
Hey, we'll see if my solar's gonna hold on all the way to Phoenix.
Yeah, but you guys are great neighbors, and now it's time to end that and time for some more adventures because the summer is coming.
Say goodbye.
Say goodbye.
To Jed and all his friends.
This noisy love truck stop in Buckeye. We stayed at Five Below last night because we didn't get here in time to get a truck spot. But we're right here right now. But we are going to go to a dog park. Yeah, my dog's over there taking a poop. So I look like crap today. Let's go to the dog park.
Hey,
don't guard the ball.
you quit.
What do you get rid of that ball? Maverick wants to hump all the girls. America's tired. We're on our way to Super Walmart to sit in the parking lot and spend the night. And we left Love's truck stop. It's just so crowded there. Check out these. Look at how much are building up in Buckeye. Yep, so we're in the mall parking lot. This is where we're gonna stay. Well, at least we got a Walmart here because I need some bananas.
There's all kinds of RVs.
Oh yeah, this is the RV Central parking lot, you guys. So if you ever stop into Buckeye, you need to come through and stay at Super Walmart. This is what it looks like, you guys. And we're in Buckeye, Arizona, and they said you can stay here. Just don't camp for a week.
Days.
Stay less than 2 and you won't get kicked out and you won't ruin it for everyone else. Woohoo! We parked next to Randy. He came here last night, so we're here together. Lot docking. And gonna go to Keyman, and we'll explain why later.
Yep.
Oh, there's Scott and Shauna. Oh, karaoke night. Maverick and herself on TV.
Different, maybe.
What?
But I got same thing because it's that good. When Daddy's trying to work on the camper, and Maverick just wants to play frisbee.
She misses her BFF.
Oh, Mary got it though. Wonder if she brings it back to Rob. Oh, yeah, here she comes. Here she comes. Oh.
First time seeing Rain, you guys, and she wants to eat it. Look at her.
Give me some love.
He's about to give me a desert
Aw.
haircut. Ready? Here we go.
What? Okay, go long. Watch her in the rain.
Oh, I know you got the party shit, bro. On the window when I'm driving.
Mary, get in here. Come on, get in here. It's raining.
Gypsy dog.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Love ya. Oh, she's so cute. You guys want to check out our cart? Blueberries, bananas, some yogurt, and milk. Shopping at our Walmart in Buckeye. Oh, America, come on.
We're out of ketchup.
We are?
Yeah, for $7.
Wow. 2 for $10.
Yeah, we're 1 for $7.
so I guess it's better to buy two. Right? Now let's go pay back the camper. Okay. Okay guys, now we're going to go over to Bethany Rob's place where they're staying at to have some dinner. Been at Walmart like 2 nights, 1 night at Five Below, but we're kind of sitting still for a little while visiting with Rob and Bethany, and plus we are freaking broke. We have no gas money right now, so because of our solar expense, but it's still worth it. We had to do it, but we have never been this broke. We have no gas money right now until we get paid on the 27th, so we're kind of gonna have to sit in Buckeye, I think, until the 27th. But we found this cool spot, you guys, in Buckeye that has a concrete pad. A bunch of them. We're going to sweep it off, put our rug out and our chairs out. And I think we're just going to camp out in Buckeye till we get paid. That's what you got to do when you're RVing and you run out of gas money. We have never run out of money, ever. So we got enough money for food till the 27th. We'll eat it whatever we can, and then yeah, so we're just gonna sit in Buckeye, you guys. But we're
staying at the Railyard in wherever we're at, Arizona.
Yeah, so you guys will see where we're at, and you know.
Hey, it's got trees, it's got a pad, it's all secluded, and I don't think nobody will see us to kick us out. Pay to stay anywhere except for Thousand Trails because we're already paying for that. So we like to travel cheap and free, and we don't care where we stay. We can sleep through any noise. Plus our RV is made very well and it's not that noisy actually. So you guys, this is what we're going to be doing all the way to Washington State. So subscribe, make a comment, like, that helps out our channel a lot. We love all the comments that we're getting, and we'd love to have some more. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. 70% of our watchers have not subscribed. It's really easy to make an account, you guys. There's so much information on YouTube. So make your account, push that button, and subscribe to Jan's Roadtrip. We have been on the road now for 8 years. And we didn't start a YouTube channel the first 3 or 4 years, I think. Our YouTube channel's only been going for 4 years. So the first 4 years, actually I wish we would have videotaped because it was rough. So we're going to sit down and do an 8-year video and talk about everything that we've learned in 8 years and why we started. I'm going to share some personal stuff with you guys and my story of what made us start RVing. And we're almost getting to our spot. Oh, the tracks, here we go. We're close to the railroad tracks.
Yeah, but we can sleep through trains, you guys, too. Nice cactus right there. And here is where we're going to pull up, you guys, and stay. Hey, you got to do what you got to do.
Sunlight days are So you got some concrete pads right here, the nice shaded this tree. Yeah, we should go where the tree is, babe.
I'm backing in there.
Yep, this is where we're going, guys, right here. See, you got some nice concrete pads. You can kind of hide here in the bushes. Oh yeah, see? Oh, this is gonna be nice in our... What do you think, Mira? You got a place you can run now instead of being stuck at Walmart in the parking lot where you can't play. So this is great. Bring your dogs with you here. But yeah, nice and private, you guys. Check it out. Check it out. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do when you're short on gas money, right? Kind of private back here. Nobody's gonna even care that we're back here for a couple days or a week or two. I'm gonna move it a little closer to this tree right here. Yep, so America got some shade and she can hang out with us. As we move, we got shade for America now, so we're gonna end this video and stay tuned to see if we get kicked out. If not, how long we're gonna be here, because we're still not sure what we're gonna do, because this is all unplanned.
Okay, so you guys, here's what's gonna happen. Until I get my paycheck in 2 weeks,
27th.
I'll be planted right here.
Yep.
There ain't nobody here doing nothing. And I'm not hurting anything. In fact, I cleaned the lot up. So, yeah, we're going to stay here until we get kicked out, if we get kicked out.
So, yep, so subscribe, hit that button, and find out what's going on and how we make it to Washington State. Some unplanned adventures
by the seat
are
of our
coming.
pants.
Yep. Find out how we do this, guys. See you
y'all in the next
later. Thank you for subscribing and leaving a comment and hitting that like button.
We'll see you on the flip side.
All right, bye guys. Out, out, out.
It's all
out.
about what?
Oh, it's all about the fun. That's what
It's
we
all
are.
about the
We
fun,
are
and
fun.
we'll see you on the flip side.
Yep. Stay tuned for all the fun.
Either we'll see you on the flip side or we'll see you in jail.
Bye guys. Okay.